Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are back with a new tutorial today, and today this hair is sponsored by Upretty Hair, and I've worked with this company before. They sent me those beautiful bundles that I created for my giveaway, and however, they sent me another wig today, and this is a 613 wig. Now today in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to dye your hair quick and easy using the watercolor method without staining your lace. And usually when dealing with dark colors, your lace can get stained, but if you just do these little quick easy steps, then your hair should turn out just fine. Today I will be using two of the crimson red dyes from the Temptation brand, Kiss Temptation brand, and I just took like a little one of my bin drawers, and I just filled it up with some hot water. Not too much, not too little, but just enough for the wig can be easily saturated. The dye can be saturated on the wig with no issue. So I'm just going to go ahead and put both bottles of that dye into my bin, and I'm just going to give that a good stir. You can use an actual dye brush, but I didn't feel like walking over to get my dye brush, so I'm just using my comb. So however, you just want to go ahead and put that dye in there, and you want to make sure you get it mixed in really good. And here I'm going to show you what the water looks like. Depending on how dark or how light you want it to go, that's how much color you put in there. So now I'm just going to go ahead and begin to dip. Sorry guys, camera a little off focus, but I was trying to show you guys what the water looks like. But now what you want to do is just go ahead and dip that wig into that water, and you just want to keep dipping it and keep dipping it, making sure that every strand touches that red color. So I'm going to continue to dip it and let it sit in there, and I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. And just right here I'm showing you how the lace is not stained from the red dye, but like I said, I'm going to let it sit a little bit more. Once you remove that, go ahead and shampoo and condition it. I did use the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner, and this is what it looks like. It's very, very vibrant. The lace is not stained. The wig is already pre-plucked, but I'm going to go ahead and pluck it some more. It has a huge parting space, which is another great thing. It is a 13 by 6 lace front wig, so I'm able to style this how I want to. And speaking on style, based on my thumbnail, you can already see the style I'm going to be doing, which is so cute, of course, and that's why I love this tutorial. Now when I do my videos, it's pretty much the same process over and over and over, so I don't even want to bore you guys with the whole process and step. So I just went ahead and applied all my layers of the Bold Hold glue, and this right here is just me laying that lace down into that glue. And I'm going to go ahead and blow dry that, cut off the extra lace, tack down those corners, and then we will get right into the styling. But I am going to show you a little bit of this process of me actually getting the lace laid down. But I hope you guys do enjoy this tutorial. I hope you learn a few things from this video today. I hope you guys try to style out. Let me know what you think, like if it was cute or not. And another thing I want to mention before I go is that I did not have to recut this wig. Like the length that you see this wig at and the clean cut that you see is the clean cut that it came with. So all I had to do was dye it and just flat iron and style. So thank you, Upretty Hair, for sending me this gorgeous wig. It is totally awesome. And all of the details and descriptions down about this hair will be listed in the box. So make sure you guys check that out and check out any coupon codes and discounts as well. Okay, so now that I have everything glued down, I just want to show you guys how much this wig can part. So I'm showing you just like on each side that I can literally part this wig wherever I want it, which is a big thumbs up for me and gives me more creative leisure to do something different on my channel. So now I'm just going to go ahead and tie down my hairline with that elastic band. If you've been watching my channel for a while, then you know that elastic band is my go-to. It gets that lace extra melted down into your skin, and it's just so much tighter than any other hair tie method that you may use. Now, however, this is what it looks like after I remove that band. Jesus, I could not think of the word. And I am going to do my makeup after this too, so that's why I definitely use the foundation underneath that of the makeup that I use. Now for today, I did not want to go simple and just do like a simple side part bob or a little, you know, part down the middle bob. Like, yeah, boring, boring, boring. I thought that with this color, I'm going to do something more creative. So what I did was I went on the internet and I just typed in red bobs, and I seen a bunch of different ideas, and I decided just to combine a few ideas and just make it like my own little look. So for today, I'm going to be doing a top ponytail with the blunt cut, the natural blunt cut that this wig comes in, and I'm going to do the two little bangs in the front. Now, this is why I really love this wig. Like I mentioned just a few minutes ago, like, do you see how much I can part on this wig? Like, this is the best lace front wig that you can have, honestly, guys. Like, a lace front wig that parts 13 by 6 is a go-to because you have more space and freedom to do whatever. With a regular lace front wig that is like a 13 by 2 or 13 by 4, well, even a 13 by 4 is nice, but it's not better than a 13 by 6. But however, so I went ahead and sectioned off the top, and I did it like in a square parting type of motion. And what I'm doing now is actually pulling down pieces of hair in the front that will be like my little cute little, you know, like bangs or whatever. Like I call them the white girl bangs. No offense to anyone out there, that's just what I call it. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and secure the top of that hair with a rubber band. And I did not use like any got to be freeze spray or nothing like that. I didn't want it to be crispy and hard because, you know, just in case I want to take that down and make it a different look. But I went ahead and put that top piece in a ponytail, and I'm going to go ahead and flatten out those little bang pieces. And now what I'm going to do next is go ahead and take a piece of that ponytail, and I'm going to use that as a wraparound for my ponytail to cover up that black rubber band. So I'm just going to take a little thin strip, get a little bit of got to be free spray, spread it on there, comb it, smooth it, wrap it around, and blow dry it. Guys, I know it looks a little messy as far as like the foundation coming like underneath for like a little bit past my my frontal, but like I said before, that's okay for me because I am going to go ahead and do my makeup after this. But all you have to do is just go ahead, and while your frontal is tied down, you can just take you some alcohol or sea breeze and just wipe away that extra foundation because it just, you know, rubbed off on my skin after me placing down my frontal. But however, now that I have that ponytail secured, I'm just going to take a little bit of my biotin oil, and I'm just going to rub that over my hair, and I'm just going to go in with my hot comb and just do like my finishing touches or whatever off camera because you guys already know what I do with my hot comb. But after I went from looking like a mess to the glam girl. Here I am with the finishing look. I went and I actually did my brows, like I mixed brown pencil and burgundy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you for watching.